Hey everyone, welcome. This is going to be a quick video showing you how I uploaded this school logo and how I'm going to make it into a custom cutout. I'm going to show you two different options of how I've already have this uploaded. As you can see, the three at the bottom, but I'm going to show you how I did those, and then the two different options for making them into custom cutouts. So just want to go. I found it on Google, and then I saved the image I saved it as a download. So now I just pulled it up in Cricut. I showed you how I pulled that up, and you've got three different options, and sometimes I have to try the different ones, the moderate, and I'll go through all of them to find the best one. Remove the background. Now I'm going to remove the burgundy stuff and just keep what is black. And that's the cut, so you want to click on that and then click the green button. But I'm going back because I already saved it, so I don't want to save it again. Now I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to get rid of, so you want to remove the background, even though it doesn't look like there's one. I go ahead and do it anyway. Now I'm removing all the black stuff and click again. Now I'm going to save this one, so click the green button. I'm not, because I already saved it. I'm going to go back one more time, and this time I'm going to keep the whole thing after I remove the background, of course. And then you've got that. Now when you do it with this one, you're only going to be able to use one color for that whole thing. The reason why I saved the V and the lion separately is I can do the V and the lion in different colors, which is how the logo actually is. And I'm going to try screenshot the Google getting it off of Google and show you how to do that, since I forgot to do that. I'll do that at the very end. They do come in a lot of times really big, and I brought all three together, so you have to ungroup them. But you see the V and the lion are two separate things since I saved them separately. So decide how you want to do that. You want to do it all one color, or you need to do them differently. Now this isn't going to work for all of them, and there's some that are very complicated and stuff, but this will help you with some of the logos. Their colors are burgundy, so I'm showing you, I think it's like burgundy, black, and white. So you can do it like that, and you could do more layers, more offsets, and do more layers. Now I'm going to do the lion, again, one color, and the V, another color, which is how their logo actually looks. If you're not able to do this and you can only do it one color and then do the offsets in other colors, that's fine too. Just get it, as good as you can. They should be happy with it. Like I said, some logos are very, very difficult, and just too complex. You can come up with something on your own or something different. But you see how you can do two different colors like this, and then group it together by just highlighting the whole thing. Now you can go ahead and offset. There, I offset it in a gray. I think gray is one of their, I think it was burgundy, black, and gray. I can't remember. Or maybe that's supposed to be silver. I can't remember now. It's been a couple of days. But I have all these collections too, so I'm saving everything into collections. And the 2023 is like mom orders that I'm working on for 2023, or cutouts that I have on my Etsy listing for 2023 that I'm offering, like custom colors and stuff that they can order. So I put all that in a collection of 2023. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'm going to show, again, I'm going to screen record the Google so you will see that, but I'm not going to voice over that. I hope this helped you out with your custom cutouts. Thanks for watching. Do all the YouTube-y things.